Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. Today, I am introducing the AI HR Assistant for job applications, an intelligent automated system that simplifies the entire hiring journey from start to finish. And this assistant can analyze resumes, ask smart screening questions, check qualifications, and even schedule interviews instantly, all without any manual efforts. So without any delay, let me show you a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. So for that, I just have to open my WhatsApp account, and in this chat, as soon as I will send this keyword, hello, I need help, you can see this WhatsApp AI agent has replied me instantly with this welcome message. Now I will interact with this WhatsApp AI agent. So I will ask some of questions. So from this knowledge base here, you can see I have created this, and in this knowledge base, I have inserted all the details about my business. Now from this knowledge base, when I will ask any specific question from this AI agent, so you can see I will just copy this question from here. What type of screening questions will I be asked? After that, you will see when I will paste it inside this chat and I will ask this particular question to my AI agent, you will see that this WhatsApp AI agent will instantly reply me with the same text that I have added just below this particular question inside my knowledge base. So here I have received the reply of my AI agent. So I will ask one more question. This time I will copy this particular question. What are the minimum qualification for each job role? Then you will see that this AI agent will instantly reply me with the same text that I have added just below this question inside my knowledge base. So here I have received the details about minimum qualification for each job. This means that this WhatsApp AI agent is working all fine. So this was the demo of this WhatsApp AI agent. Now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp AI agent for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, you just have to go on a new tab and enter this pabbly.com/chatflow. And by pressing this enter button, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and in here on the right corner you can see we have got these two different buttons, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you have to click on the sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And by creating your free account, you can avail 100 free credits that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new user every new month. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button. But before we move further, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members where individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts, and here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. Now as I am an existing user, so I will go back to this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and in here I will click on this sign in button. This will get me directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where you can see Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so that's why I will click on this access now button. This will get me directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now as soon as you are inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this WhatsApp number button given on the right here, and you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect method or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out the link of those videos that I have added in the description box of this video. And after you have added your WhatsApp number, then you can start creating your WhatsApp AI assistant for yourself. For that, you have to go on the left side here, and from here you have to select this AI assistant. After that, you will get directed on this AI assistant page, and in here you can see these are all the AI assistant that I have created for myself. Now this was the exact same AI assistant that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So first of all, I will deactivate this AI agent, as I am going to create this exact same AI agent with you. But before deactivating this AI agent from here, first of all I have to disable this from my chat. So I will open my inbox, and as I have enabled this AI agent for this particular chat, so I will open the chat and I will disable the AI agent from here. I will select the status as open, and I will click on this save button. Now you can see as our AI assistant is disabled successfully for this particular chat, now I can deactivate this particular AI assistant from here. So I will deactivate it, and then we will click on this particular button, add AI assistant given here, to start creating a new AI assistant. So I will click on this, and I will give a name to my AI assistant as this AI HR assistant for job applications, and then I will click on this add AI assistant button. After that, I will get directed on this particular window where I just have to work on this 4 simple steps: AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and at last this styling. So first of all, we have to work on this button AI instructions. So for this instruction type, I will click on this drop down and I will select this particular AI agent because I want to create an AI agent for myself. And inside this instructions box, you can see this role and constraints of this AI agent has already been entered. So if you want to add anything else inside this box, then you can do that by typing down any other text inside this box manually. So this box contains instructions which are for your AI assistant, that how it should respond to your users, and it must include the key information like audience, purpose and style to customize the assistant. So now we will move towards this AI configuration. For this temperature, you can see the 0.5 has been set automatically, and this temperature sets how creative the AI's answers are. The 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So if you want to increase or decrease this temperature, then you can do that by clicking on these arrows given here. And for this select AI to use, I will click on this drop down and I will select this open AI. For this select model, I will select this particular GPT-4 Omni, but you can select any other model if you want to. Now we have to enter our API key inside this particular box. So to get this API key, first of all, you have to buy a subscription of OpenAI for yourself. After that, when you will click on this hyperlink given here, you will get directed on this particular page. So you can see, as I have already logged into my OpenAI platform, that's why this particular page is directly visible to me. So from here, I will click on this create new secret key button, and you can see here we have to give a name to this particular key. So I will give this name as testing, and I will click on this create secret key button, and after that you can see my secret key is generated successfully. So I will copy this key from here and I will paste it inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So I will paste it here like this, and then I will press this connect button. After that, you can see our OpenAI key has been saved successfully. Now for this AI assistant settings, you can see we have got these 5 different options. So if I want to use any one of them, then I just have to turn them on from here. Now if I want to use this header, so I will enter this particular header inside this particular box like hello. Now this header will get visible to my customers, but if I do not want to use this, then I will disable it from here. And the same goes for this footer message. Now for this stop keyword, I will show you that if I will turn it on from here, and to enter a keyword inside this box, you just have to type down the keyword and press this enter button. Now if the customer will send this particular stop inside your chat, then this WhatsApp AI assistant will stop replying to them. But as I do not want to use this, so I will deactivate from here. Now you can see for this retry attempt inside this box, I can enter the numbers in the range of 1 to 10 if I want to give the fallback retry attempts to my customer, but as I do not want to use this, so I will deactivate from here. And for this fallback message, you can see this particular message has been written inside this box. You can also change this particular message if you want to by typing down any other text inside this box. You can see this particular fallback message will get displayed to your customer when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So with this, I have successfully completed the first step. So let us move towards the second step, knowledge source. So in here we have to upload a file to connect knowledge unique to our business, and it must include the FAQs, company background and more that my chatbot can utilize when answering questions. So basically inside this knowledge base, you have to enter all the basic details about your company or your business which your AI agent can use while answering the questions asked by your customers. Now you can see, as I have already created this knowledge base inside my Google Docs account. So to download this knowledge base, I will go on this file and I will click on this download. So I will select this particular .txt format, and you can see I have downloaded this knowledge base in this particular format. Now I will go back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in here you can see there are some conditions to upload this file, that the size must be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt and this .pdf, and there is the text written, no page limit for text PDFs, but if the PDF has images, it's limited to 10 pages. Now you can see, as I have downloaded this file in .txt format, so I will drag my file from here and I will drop it in here. After that, you can see my file has been uploaded and processed successfully. So with this, we will move towards this assistant interface, and in here you can see this is how your display heading name will look. So you can, if you want to, then you can enter your brand's name here. So if I will enter this particular keyword, you can see this particular display heading name has been changed successfully, and this is the subheading name. So you can also change this by typing down any other text inside this box. And for this initial message, you can see this hi there, how can I help you today has been entered. So you can add one more message by typing down the keyword and pressing this enter button, but as I do not want to add any other thing, that's why I have deleted it. And for this powered by Pabbly, you can enable or disable it by choosing it from this drop down. And this privacy policy, this is actually a hyperlink which you can create by typing the text inside this box and pasting the link inside this footer link box. For this user first message, this I need help has been written already. So if you want to change this, then you can do that by replacing this particular text with any other text that you want to. But as I do not want to replace it, so I will let it remain as it is. And now we will move towards our last step. This is styling, and in here I can style my WhatsApp AI assistant. So for this theme, I can change it into light or dark. For this shape, I can change it into circle, square or rounded square. And for this background color, I can also change this if I want to. But as I do not want to change anything, so I will let them remain as it is. Now with this, I have successfully completed the basic creation of this WhatsApp AI agent. So I will turn this on from here, and then I will click on this Save AI Assistant button. After that, you can see if you want to use this AI agent from your website, then you just have to click on this button Embed. Then if you will copy this script from here, and if you will paste it inside your website, then this WhatsApp AI agent will work from your website. Now you can see the creation of this WhatsApp AI agent has been completed successfully. Now first of all, we have to activate this particular AI agent inside one of my chats to test if this WhatsApp chatbot is working properly or not. So I will open my inbox, and inside this particular chat, I will click on this Choose AI Assistant button, and from this drop down, I will select this particular AI assistant which I have created just now, and then I will press this Save button. Now this AI assistant is enabled successfully for this particular chat. And if you want to enable this AI assistant for bulk of your contacts, then for that you just have to go inside the settings, and then you have to click on this inbox settings. After that, when you will scroll down to the bottom, then first of all you have to click on this button to enable AI auto replies, and after that from this contact list you can select that particular contact list for which you want to enable your AI agent, and from this AI assistant you can choose the AI assistant which you want to enable for your contact list. And after that, when you will press this Save button, this AI agent will work automatically for all of your contacts that you have chosen here. So I have successfully demonstrated how you can enable this AI replies for all of your chats. Now as I have already enabled this AI assistant for one of my chats, so that's why we will open my WhatsApp account, and here I will again test this WhatsApp chatbot by sending this keyword hello I need help. After that, you will see that this WhatsApp AI agent will again send me a welcome message. So here I have received this welcome message. Now I will ask one more question from this AI agent to test if it is working properly or not. So I will just copy this particular question, and I will ask this question from my AI agent inside this particular chat. Then you will see that this WhatsApp AI agent will reply me with the same text that I have added just below this particular question inside the box. So here I have received this particular response from my AI agent. This means that my WhatsApp AI agent is working properly. So this is how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp AI assistant for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. Thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.